Let me talk to you like someone who has lived with the JBL Bar 9.1 every single day, because from the moment you turn it on, something changes in your room. Sound stops being a background detail and becomes the thing that pulls you into every scene, every song, every world you step into. If you re the kind of person who knows the difference between good enough audio and audio that actually moves you, someone who wants immersion instead of noise, someone who refuses to settle for flat TV speakers, the Bar 9.1 fits that identity instantly. And before you go deeper, take a second to check the current price and stock, because this system never stays around for long. You probably hit that moment where your old speakers just couldn't keep up, dialogue felt buried, action scenes didn't hit, music sounded thin. The day you upgrade to the Bar 9.1 with its detachable surrounds and wireless subwoofer, that frustration disappears. There's this emotional relief when your room fills with real Dolby Atmos sound. You don't just hear the movie, you enter it. Once you feel sound coming from behind you, above you, and across your room, you begin to notice details you've never picked up before. The bass drops with real weight. The surround effects wrap around you. Suddenly, your living room doesn't feel like a living room anymore, it feels like a personal theater. Don't wait on this upgrade. These are the kinds of systems people think about forever, and once they finally get it, they wonder why they didn't move sooner. If you're wondering whether the detachable speakers or the subwoofer are worth it, here is how it feels in real life. The freedom is incredible. You place the surrounds where you want them, no cables snaking around your room, and it all just works. The surprise benefit is how even simple content, YouTube, podcasts, sports, suddenly feels richer and more immersive. Owning the Bar 9.1 changes how you think about audio. It feels like a decision made by someone who knows what quality sounds like and isn't afraid to treat themselves to it. You feel proud every time you turn it on. You feel connected to your content. You feel immersed in a way TV speakers simply cannot deliver. The bass feels full and controlled. Dialogue becomes clean and effortless to follow. Surround effects feel natural and cinematic. Everyday viewing feels elevated. Setup stays surprisingly clean and simple. The only soft downside is that once you adjust to this level, anything weaker feels hollow, and you'll never want to go back to basic speakers again. At some point, you stop comparing soundbars and choose the one you already know matches what you want your entertainment to feel like. If the Bar 9.1 fits that vision, check the live price now and make the upgrade before the moment slips away.